Today we're going to work with Jesin. I've got a little idea in mind. Let's see if it works. I've got two molds here, one with the zodiac signs and one with gnomes. All that left is to give it a try. And here we go. Hello, I hope you're well. Let's see if my idea is bad or not. We'll see. I've prepared my Jesin. I've got to tell you about the funny adventure that happened to me. I prepared my first batch of Jesin, but it was horribly liquid. It was like milk. I didn't really understand why. And then I just had a flash. I mixed it 1-for-1. 1 part liquid, 1 part powder. So I might as well tell you that I could wait a long time for it to harden. I'll spare you that part of the video, of course. So I washed everything and now I'm tracking down the last water bubbles. I'm distracted at the moment, which isn't normal. You always have to stay very concentrated. So some days you succeed and some days you don't. And it was, I don't today. I didn't realize I had so much water left. I thought I'd done it right, but I'm still finding water bubbles. I washed everything quickly. I could have left it for 8 days and it would never have hardened. Me, or the art of ruining things and doing stupid things. Okay, here we go. The other one fit really well. That's quite a difference. The Jesin spread out beautifully. It was much too beautiful, too good. So I'm going to pour widely, like with the little mods I showed you for my Halloween creation. I'm going to spread it then like butter on a slice of toast. I especially want it to go all over. It's a very thin, detailed mold. And then I'm going to pour the excess into this one, the gnome wine one. On this zodiac signs mold, it's not easy. I'm not very confident. So I'm sure that afterwards I will have to do a little finishing work, of course. But that's okay. I wanted to experiment with this. I don't know how it's going to turn out. As for the rest, it's fine for terrazzo. Yes, you see, I pour it on my sheet, spread it a little, and okay for terrazzo. And I don't have much left for once. My estimated quantity wasn't too bad. That's the moment. Oh, that's for my little terrazzo. I'll put it aside and do it later. Will it unmold properly? Will they come apart in little pieces? I don't know. I cross my fingers. I can see that I have an air bubble. Oh, of course. Okay, will it break? Will it hold? Oh, these air bubbles. They get on my nerves. Okay, the second one. They break. Yes, they break. It was a bad idea. This mold is too thin. Some will hold, but not many. So let's go and see my gnome. Oh, it's a shame, yes. I don't know. Well, the gnomes is fine. Here is my little gnome. It's cute, isn't it? We're not going to leave him like that. We are going to dress him up with colors, of course. So on Jesmonite or Jesin or any other kind of products, well, there's no problem. You can use acrylic. Now I see I've got quite a few air bubbles in the bird. Okay, good, good, good. I'll remove the rest of my zodiac signs. No, that's no good. The mold is too thin. Well, I know for the next time. What I'll do is leave the ones I didn't break in the mold, and then I'll see if after a few days it's hardened. If it wants to unmold properly, I don't know. The first one unmolded well, but the others, in fact, for the others, there are a lot of cuts, but it's crumbly. I'll prepare my paint and we'll go. I'm just going to paint it with a very fine brush. I'm going to speed up the video, of course, so I won't show you absolutely everything, just the result. For my zodiac signs, I waited more than 48 hours. Well, I think I could do it. So I'll give it another try off camera. I won't bore you again with the whole process. I let it dry for 2, 3 or 4 days if needed, but and see if it holds. If it holds, well, that's perfect. That would be great. Come on, let's go. We are going to paint. I have these paints from Arteza. They are metallic paints. And we are going to start. I used these colors you see on the screen. Of course, I could use something else. In this case, I only used metallic pearl paints. Good idea? Bad idea? I don't know. But it's nice. You can make several like this, and you have to let the Jesmonite or the Jesin dry for 2 or 3 days. It's safer that way. Okay, here it is. I'm not very sure about my colors, but it's cute, yes. Metallic pearl paint, I don't know if it's really a good idea. I'm not sure. You can use all colors, all acrylic paint you want. But it's cute, yes. You can make several like this. You put a little ribbon around it and hop, in the Christmas tree. So, tell me what you think between my failed attempt at my zodiac signs and my little gnome. Don't forget the little thumbs up, the little comment. We'll be back very soon for new adventures. Take care of yourself. Bye.